Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cheesecake very easy. First, let's create a simple, delicious crust. You'll need 1½ cups of graham cracker crumbs and 1/4 cup of melted butter. Mix these together thoroughly, then press the mixture firmly into a 9-inch springform pan. This forms the perfect base for your cheesecake. Bake it for just 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, then let it cool while you prepare the filling. Now for the incredibly easy cheesecake filling. Start with 2 pounds of softened cream cheese and beat it until it's wonderfully smooth. Gradually incorporate 1½ cups of granulated sugar and 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, mixing until just combined. Finally, add 4 large eggs, one at a time, mixing on low speed after each addition until just incorporated. Do not overmix the batter. With your filling ready, carefully pour it over the cooled graham cracker crust in the springform pan. Place it in a preheated oven and bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 60 to 70 minutes, or until the edges are set and the center jiggles slightly. Once baked, cool the cheesecake completely at room temperature, then refrigerate it for a minimum of 4 hours to set perfectly. Your delicious, easy cheesecake is now ready to be enjoyed. Before slicing, carefully remove the sides of the springform pan. You can serve it beautifully plain or enhance it with your favorite toppings, such as fresh berries, a drizzle of chocolate sauce, or a dollop of whipped cream. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.